Hello everyone, welcome back to virtual tutorial channel. So in this tutorial I will talk about Crontab. So Crontab is a scheduling daemon that execute tasks at specified intervals, and these tasks are called cron jobs and are mostly used to automate system maintenance or administration. Okay, I have created this Crontab cheat sheet, so let's understand this. So if you see here, first one is asterisk. It means all possible values. Okay, then we have range. So range you can give by using comma or hyphen. Okay, and this is the syntax for cron job. So the first one is minute. It is from like 0 to 59. Second one is hour, which is like from 0 to 24. Third one is day of month, which is like 0 to 31. And this is not from 0, it is from 1 to 31. And this one month, it means from 1 to 12. First one means like January and 12 means December. Then day of week, it is from 0 to 7. 0 or 7 represents Sunday. Okay, so like 0 represents Sunday, then 1 represents Monday, right? Then you need to give command. Okay, now this is an example. Like what I am doing is I want the list of this directory at 11 p.m. So first one is 0, which means minute. I have given 0. So and then hour, it is in 24-hour format. So for 11 it is 23. Then day of month, today is 25, so I have given 25. Then after that month, so 5 I have mentioned, which stands for May. Then 1, it represents Monday. And then the command, you can give script as well. Okay, as per your requirement, you can create as many cron jobs as you want. Okay, then these are the options we have. First one is -e. This one is for added cron tab jobs. -l to list all cron jobs, and -r means to remove cron jobs. Okay, if you know the username, and if you want to add cron job for some other username, so for that you can use crontab -u option. -u stands for username. You need to give the username after that. Then -e, it is same, add it. -l to list. -r is for remove. Okay, so let's understand this using the terminal. You can change the editor also, so you can give this command export. Like I am changing for this session, editor equals to vi. Okay, now when I open crontab -e to add jobs, vi, okay, I need to give in small letters, vi save. Okay, so this has opened in vi mode. Let's close this. And if you want to, like, this one is set only for this session. If you want to set this permanently, so what you can do is, we have this bash rc file. You can always go there and export this thing. Okay, so whenever you open this terminal, it automatically run this bash rc file, and your default editor will be override. Okay, I'm again changing it to gedit. Now let's add some cron job. Crontab -e is for edit. No modification made. This is the job. Close without saving. Let me close this also. Okay, let's remove any existing crontab job. Now I'm gonna add it. No modification for akkash, using an empty one. Okay, this is the one. Okay, let's open the new terminal. crontab -e. Okay, now this is the description you will also get in your system. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm gonna, let's see an example. So at 56 minutes, now the time is 10:54, so I'll put 22 here. Then day of month, which is from 0 to 31, 1 to 31, so today is 25th. Then month, which is May, and today is Monday, so for that I'll give 1, and command I'll give this. What I'll do is I'll change it to 55 and save this. Let's close this. Installing new tab. Okay, so what happens is at 10:55 I'll receive an email. Let's open Gmail. There's a terminal. Okay, this is my terminal. Let's check whether we have received any cron details or not. Here if you see I did not receive any email. Let's go to the send items. Okay, so at 10:55 if you see a job has triggered and these are the file directories, but why I did not receive an email? Let's check. Okay, because if you see here no email address is given, so for that what you need to do is open this and here give mail to equal to, then give the email ID to you. Let's give it 58. Save this, close this. Let's wait till 10:58. Before that I'll show you some options. For -l we have this option, so you can see the list of cron jobs. If I give -r then this job will be removed. Okay, and if I want to give for root, if I'm giving -e, you must have privilege to use -u option, so give sudo, press enter, give the password. Okay, so here if you see editor is nano. Here you can give whatever command you want, ls command. Then save this. Okay, let's check whether we have received an email or not. At 10:58 an email has been sent to which email ID? To this, which is correct, so I should receive an email. Okay, I have received an email. This is an email which I have received. Okay, and these are the list of directories. If you see, crontab -l, this is what I have given. Let's run this and the terminal to verify this. Okay, so these are the list of directories I am having. Yes, that's correct. So I received the list of directories. You can give any command or any script if you want to, as per your requirement. Now let's remove this job. using -r option. Now let's check whether it is removed or not. -e. If you see over here, no job is there. You can close this, go back, Control-C, close this. Exit. Thing got hang. Let's kill this process. Open the new terminal. Now let's check the job using -l option. No cron tab for this user. Okay. Similarly, you can go to root sudo crontab -l to see if any job is there or not. So one job is there for root. You can remove this using -r option. Now let's check. No cron tab for root user. Okay, so guys, this is my video on Crontab to scheduler. It's a scheduler in Unix. You can try on your own, and if you face any issues you can always comment. And guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot.